Today, I will be showing you how to access and use the archive catalogue. Begin by starting on the library homepage. You must then scroll down and press Archives Search. You can also access it by typing archives.le.ac.uk directly into your internet browser. The archive catalogue allows you to search for items in our archive collections. The catalogue provides a short description of the item, not a digital image or a full transcript of the document. If you are new to using archive catalogues, you may want to begin by looking at the FAQs page. I would like to begin by bringing your attention to the popular searches section. Here you will find our most common topic areas and any items that link to them. To search across all the collections, you can either use the basic search or the advanced search option. For the advanced search, click here. The Archives catalogue contains records from the University of Leicester Special Collections, the East Midlands Oral History Archive, and the British Institute for Libyan and Northern African Studies. You can choose to search just one of these by filtering to the archives repository you are interested in. To return to the home page, press Home. For the basic search, type in your search term and click on the search button to bring up your results. I want to know more about the university hockey team, so let's put that into the box and press search. The search results are displayed alphabetically by order of collection name. The prefix at the start of the reference denotes the collection. You can sort your results by clicking on any of the column headings. I'm going to click on Date. To see a catalogue record in full, click on the document reference number. This takes you to the full record view, which has more information about the item. At the top, you can see where the record fits into the wider archives collection. If you want to see the full collection catalogue, click on the document reference number, which will take you to the hierarchy browser. Archive catalogues are arranged in a hierarchical order, similar to the file structure you might use on your computer to organize digital documents. You can use the plus or the minus button to browse the collection. Once you reach a title that doesn't have a plus or minus box, then you can click on this to display the full record description of the individual file or item. The full record page will display its document reference number. You can return to your search results at any time by clicking on the link at the top of the record. To return to the home page again, click Home. You can also browse the different collections using the Showcase tab, which contains a list of our main archive collections. You can find out more about a collection by clicking on View Record, which will take you to the collection level description. Collection level records give an overview of the collection, including contextual information regarding the person or organization that created it. Again, you can click on the document reference number to explore the full collection and click through to view individual records. Here, you can use the plus and minus boxes again to find a specific item. This page gives you a description of the item and shows you where it fits into the wider collection. Our collections are available to view in person in the Kirby and West Reading Room, which is in the basement of the David Wilson Library. Once you've found what you want to see, make a note of the document reference number and title to request them in the reading room. We operate an appointment booking system, so please get in touch with us in advance to arrange a time and date for your visit. Visiting information can be found on our website, and you can contact us with any questions or for help using the catalogue at specialcollections@le.ac.uk.